Hi there, we're back with unit number 8, quiz number 2, practice. Opposite B over 2A. Okay, so problem number 1. And I'm thinking about it in 10 steps. Okay? So we have y equals x squared minus 8x plus 12. So step 1, I'd like you to label a over the x squared, b over the negative 8, and c over the 12. Step 2. So we have opposite b over 2 times a. So we take the 8 right here. So that's negative 8. So the opposite would be positive 8 over 2 times 1. 1 is because your a is right here in front of the x. And if we know that if there is not a number in front of the x, then it is always 1. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So x equals 4. Step 3. You're going to substitute 4 into the original equation. So y equals x squared minus 8x plus 12. We're going to take the 4 and put it there. So it would be 4 squared minus 8 times 4, because there's an x there, put it 4, plus 12. So what does that equal? 4 times 4 is 16, minus 32 plus 12 equals negative 4. So y equals negative 4. Now you have your vertex, which is 4, negative 4, right here. So that is step 4, your vertex. Okay, now we're going to look over here. We've got step 5 on here, step 6, and step 7. So step 5, we're going to have to start graphing our points here. So y equals x squared minus 8x plus 12. We know that a is in front of the x. If there is not a number there, that's 1. A equals 1. So we're going to use the 1, 3, 5, 7 for graphing. Let's go over here to your graph. It's a little windy here. We're going to make this graph nice. Okay, so here's the graph right here. You're going to put your vertex down at 4, negative 4. You're going to have a minimum vertex. And if a equals 1, then we're going to go up 1 over 1, up 3 over 1, up 5 over 1, up 7 over 1. Okay? How do we know that this is minimum? Well, we look up here at our original equation and we don't have a negative in front of the x. So we're going to start off minimum vertex and go up. So we went up here, plotted our point, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. You're going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, over 1, 1, 2, 3, over 1, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. Same on the other side, 5 and 1. And then up 7, and then over 1, and then up 7, and over 1. You got all your graphs there. Okay, so step 6, we know that it is minimum. Step 7, what's our axis of symmetry? We know that it is 4 because x is 4. You see the dotted line down the axis of symmetry? Okay. Let's go to step 8, x-intercepts. We have 2, 0, and 6, 0. How do we know that? Let's come back to our graph, and we see that on our graph here, our points are at 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6. So 2, 0, and 6, 0. You always label the x first. Step 9, y-intercept. Yes, it is going to be on 12. So 12 right there. You write it as 0, 12. Step 10 is all real numbers. That's your domain. And your range is going to be y is greater than or equal to -4. How do we know that? Because -4 is your y. And you started your vertex here. So y cannot be anything greater than -4. Okay, so that was the first problem. How you feeling? Feeling pretty good? Okay, let's go to problem number 2. This is going to be a little bit harder because we have some negatives here that we have to work with. So number 1 right up there at the very top where I put the star, I said watch the signs, positive and negative. Okay, step 1, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to label A, B, and C our equation, which is y equals -2x squared minus 4x plus 3. Step 2, opposite B. If it's -4, then it's got to be a what? Positive 4. 4 over 2 times -2, which is your A, which equals 4 divided by -4, because 2 times -2 is -4, equals -1. When you have a negative divided by a positive, it's negative. Okay, so x equals -1. Step 3, we're going to substitute into the equation. So we have y equals -2x squared minus 4x plus 3. So let's write that down. I have to write it step by step. So y equals -2 times -1 squared minus 4, which is a -4 times -1 plus 3. So y equals -2 times +1 plus 4 plus 3. Which brings us down to y equals -2 plus 4 plus 3. You have a -2 plus a +4. You have 2. Bring down the 3, +3. Y equals 5. So here we go. Step 4. Your vertex is -1, 5. All right. Let's come over here. Let's plot it. So you're -1 and 5 right here. Can you see that? And we also have step 5, step 6, and step 7. So let's go to step 5. If A equals 2, we're going to use 2, 6, 10 when we graph. So we're going to go down 2 over 1, down 6 over 1, and down 10 over 1. Why? Because there's a negative in front of our 2. So with negative, we're going to go down, which also tells us that that's going to be a maximum vertex. Okay? So if we have it at -1, +5, that's your point. We're going to go down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. Count with me. We're going to go down 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1. I'm going to do on the other side 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1. And then we're going to take the big jump and count down 10 and go over 1. Count down 10 on the other side and go over 1. Okay. Then you can draw your parabola. My parabolas are not so spectacular, but you get the point. Step 7, your axis of symmetry is -1. You see that? Okay. Let's go to step 8. Do we have any x-intercepts? Well, let's go look and see here. I do not see any points hitting the x-axis here. So we are going to say none. No points hit the x-axis. Step 9, y-intercept. Let's look. Do we have a y-intercept? We do. It's right here at 3. So we're going to write 0, 3 for your y-intercept. Step 10, your domain is all real numbers and your range is y is less than or equal to 5. Okay, 5 is your y. We have a maximum vertex, so y is going down, so it is less than or equal to 5. Okay, I hope that helps for your 2 problems for your practice quiz. Good luck, and if you need to, you can stop off at each of the steps. Have a great day!